In this episode of Elevated, we're getting specific about AI image editing with the help of two popular tools, Canva and Photoshop AI. Canva is a free-to-use online graphic design tool that allows users to create social media posts, presentations, posters, videos, logos, and so much more. It's touted as a visual suite for everyone, and is perfect for those who want to make simple graphics with templates, stock images, and fonts. On the other hand, Photoshop AI is available as part of Adobe's Creative Cloud and starts about $21 a month. It has more advanced features and tools than Canva, including image manipulation, vector drawing, 3D tools, animation tools, again, and so much more. Today, we're focusing on how to replace a background in an image using both Canva and Photoshop AI. Let's start with Canva. To replace a background in Canva, it's just 3 steps. You upload your image by selecting the Upload Your Image button, or drag and drop your file into the section. Next, you edit your image using the background remover or magic grab to change the image background in seconds. Then you download your image. That's it. Canva's photo background changer tools allow you to put the perfect backdrop for your subject, from a blank white canvas to solid colors or themed patterns. With a premium background remover, you can erase the backdrop, leaving the subject, and then add a new background by uploading your image or getting a free stock photo from the library. The Magic Grab feature allows you to isolate the subject and the background so that you can edit both. You can change the background by adjusting the brightness, contrast, and more, or you can get a completely different image and add it as a new background. The Canva AI editing tool means no tedious selecting, masking, copy and pasting your image layers. You can easily change the image's background to suit your needs and get the perfect photo with just a few clicks. Moving on to Photoshop AI. To replace a background in Photoshop AI is a few more steps. First, you're going to open the image in Photoshop AI. Then you're going to select the subject using the Object Selection tool or the Quick Selection tool. Then you'll have the opportunity to refine the edges of the selection using the Select and Mask. So this gives you a little bit more control. Then you're going to remove the original background by clicking the Delete button or using the background eraser. And then finally, you can add a new background by using the Place Embedded command to add a new image as a layer behind the subject layer. Photoshop AI also offers a range of AI-powered features to make image editing faster and easier. There's a sky replacement feature. You can easily replace the sky in your photos with a single click. The Neural Filters feature allows you to apply a range of creative and artistic effects to your images with, again, just a few clicks. So, whether you're using Canva or Photoshop AI, AI-powered image editing tools are making it easier and faster for everyone to create and share stunning visual content. In the next episode, I'm sharing a story of a specific use case for AI image editing. Tune in to hear about our practical application of this AI tool. Like what you heard? Never miss an episode by subscribing. Head over to listentoelevated.com to subscribe or share with a friend. Everyone deserves to have less stress and more impact.